welcome back to Naya Tarka again. I hope you all are doing great. And our today's recipe is tandoori momos, and I know everybody like momos a lot. So let's get started to our recipe. Here we are using chopped cabbage, onion, and carrots in a bowl. Now we'll be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of black pepper to it, a little bit of salt according to taste, and we will mix it properly. So our mixture is ready. We will keep it aside. Now in our kadhai we'll be heating 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in it, and we will add chopped green chili, garlic and ginger to it, and we will mix it well and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Our mixture is cooked properly, and we will be adding this mixture to our vegetables. After adding these vegetables, we will mix it well, and after mixing it we will keep it aside, and we will make our tandoori paste for our momos. For tandoori paste we are using half a cup of curd and mixing it half bowl of besan to it. Some red chili powder, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. Some garam masala. Kasuri methi. Kasuri methi, we'll be taking it into our palms and we'll crush it like this. It gives a very nice fragrance and a taste to our mixture. Half lemon juice, little bit of chaat masala, red chili sauce, approximately 1 tablespoon, and we will mix it properly. We need a thin paste, not so thin paste, so if you feel like the paste is very thick you can add some water to it. Our paste is ready. Now we will make the dough for our momos. For that we are using half a bowl of all-purpose flour and adding some salt to it. Little bit of water to knead our dough. And 2 tablespoons of oil to it. We will mix it well and make a dough out of it. So our dough is ready. Now we will add oil to it and we will knead it again. Our dough is ready. Now we will make momos out of it. We'll take half portion of dough and roll it into a circle. Roll it into a very thin sheet. After that we will be cutting it into 2 small circles. I am using a bowl to cut small circles for it. Remove the extra part of it and keep circles. Now add the vegetable mixtures to our circles and we will roll it and give it a shape like a momo. So you can see how beautifully it gets a shape. We will do the same process again. Using this process, we'll be making 4 momos out of it. Now we will fry it. For that, in a kadai we are heating some oil to it. We'll add momos to it. We need to fry the momos till it get a nice brownish color. You can see light brownish color has appeared, but we need to fry it more. Now our momos are nicely fried. We will transfer it into another plate. After transferring it into another plate, we will dip it into our tandoori paste. Just remember, our tandoori paste is the main ingredient in our tandoori momos, so coat it very nicely. After dipping it into our tandoori paste, we will cook it onto tandoor with some coals in it. The tandoor gives a very nice feel of a tandoori momos and a taste to it. You can see how nicely they are cooked. Just turn it for once so that they don't get burnt. You can see our momos has been cooked very nicely. Just transfer them into our plate. And they are ready to eat. I hope you all liked my recipe. Thank you so much.